Welcome to Book Widgets. Today we're going to be looking at the widget called Exit Slip. Exit Slip is designed to get feedback from your students or participants on how an element of work has been done. To start with, we'll create a new widget and we'll choose Exit Slip from the Test and Review section. We'll start off by giving the name of our widget file name up at the top corner. Clicking in, and we're going to call this one STLC Feedback. And the title of our exit slip is going to be Feedback, Unit Feedback. And at this point we add in our question which we want to find the answer to. So my students have just completed a topic on the software development lifecycle, so I'm going to ask the question, do you understand the software development lifecycle? And there are three possible answers, and these show up as three different faces. And if we want to dig deeper, then we can ask a further question and ask for some information for the pupil or student to type in. And I'm going to ask, were there any elements unclear? To finish off, I'm going to add an image. Let's choose the image. I have an image called the Software Development Lifecycle, which I've already preloaded. And here we go. It just makes it look a little bit more professional. Now this here is the email address which the answers from the feedback will be sent to. So this would be your own email address. Let's have a look at preview, and we can add some nice design techniques to make it look a little bit better. So here we have the question, and the student could put one of the three possible answers. And then we have the typing question, was there anything unclear, where they can type in and then click submit. Okay, so we'll just look at design just to make it look a little bit better. I'm going to go for blue and choose that, and go with the dark background, and I'm going to click done. Okay, so the student can click the relevant icon and they can come down and type in their feedback. Testing. Okay, and then submit their answer down at the bottom. So that is the feedback called Exit Slip.